Welcome to our deep dive into the best AI-powered apps for productivity in 2026. As artificial intelligence continues to evolve, it's transforming the way we work, organize, and achieve our goals. In this video, we'll explore the most innovative apps that are making waves in the productivity space, helping users streamline their tasks, manage time more efficiently, and unlock new levels of personal and professional achievement. Whether you're a student, entrepreneur, or busy professional, these tools are designed to make your life easier and more productive. Let's begin our journey into the future of productivity. Artificial intelligence is no longer a futuristic concept. It's now an integral part of our daily routines. From scheduling meetings to managing emails and automating repetitive tasks, AI-powered apps are seamlessly woven into the fabric of our work and personal lives. In 2026, these apps have become smarter, more intuitive, and highly personalized, adapting to individual habits and preferences. This scene sets the stage for understanding how AI is revolutionizing productivity, making it possible to accomplish more with less effort and time. Let's start with smart scheduling apps. In 2026, AI-driven calendars do more than just remind you of appointments. They analyze your work patterns, predict optimal meeting times, and even suggest breaks to maximize your focus. These apps can automatically reschedule conflicting events and coordinate with others' calendars, saving you countless hours. Imagine never having to worry about double booking or missing an important meeting again. With AI, your schedule becomes a dynamic, self-optimizing tool that adapts to your needs. Managing emails can be overwhelming, but AI-powered email assistants in 2026 have changed the game. These apps can prioritize your inbox, draft responses, and even detect urgent messages that require immediate attention. By learning your communication style, they personalize replies and help you maintain a professional tone. With features like automatic sorting, spam filtering, and smart reminders, your inbox stays organized and stress-free, allowing you to focus on what truly matters. Task automation tools powered by AI are a must-have in 2026. These apps can handle repetitive tasks such as data entry, report generation, and workflow management. By automating mundane activities, you free up valuable time for creative and strategic work. The latest AI automation tools can even integrate with other apps, creating seamless workflows that boost efficiency across your entire digital ecosystem. Automation is no longer just about speed, it's about working smarter. Gone are the days of scribbling notes and losing track of important information. AI note-taking apps in 2026 can transcribe meetings in real time, summarize key points, and even organize notes by topic or project. These apps use natural language processing to understand context, making it easy to search and retrieve information later. Whether you're in a lecture, brainstorming session, or conference call, AI ensures that nothing slips through the cracks. Voice assistants have become more advanced and deeply integrated into productivity apps. In 2026, you can control your entire workflow using simple voice commands. From setting reminders to sending messages and searching for files, AI voice assistants understand context and intent, making interactions more natural and efficient. This hands-free approach is perfect for multitasking and staying productive on the go. Project management has been revolutionized by AI in 2026. These apps can automatically assign tasks based on team members' strengths, predict project timelines, and identify potential bottlenecks before they become issues. With real-time analytics and progress tracking, managers can make informed decisions quickly. AI-driven project management ensures that teams stay aligned, deadlines are met, and resources are used efficiently. AI-powered learning platforms in 2026 offer personalized education experiences. These apps analyze your learning style, track progress, and recommend resources tailored to your needs. Whether you're mastering a new skill or preparing for an exam, AI ensures that your study sessions are efficient and effective. With adaptive quizzes, interactive lessons, and instant feedback, learning becomes more engaging and productive than ever before. Time tracking has evolved with AI-driven apps that automatically monitor your activities and provide insights into how you spend your day. In 2026, these apps suggest ways to optimize your schedule, reduce distractions, and improve focus. By analyzing patterns, they help you identify productivity peaks and downtime, empowering you to make smarter decisions about your time management. Staying focused is a challenge in a world full of distractions. AI-driven focus apps in 2026 use machine learning to detect when your attention drifts and gently guide you back on track. These apps can block distracting websites, suggest focus intervals, and even play background sounds that enhance concentration. With AI, maintaining deep focus becomes easier and more sustainable. Collaboration is at the heart of productivity, and AI-powered platforms in 2026 make teamwork seamless. These apps facilitate real-time document editing, smart file sharing, and instant communication. AI can suggest collaborators, track changes, and even summarize group discussions. The result is a more connected, efficient, and productive team environment, no matter where members are located. Mind mapping apps have embraced AI, making brainstorming and idea organization more intuitive. In 2026, these apps can automatically categorize ideas, suggest connections, and even generate visual diagrams based on your input. This helps users see the bigger picture and develop creative solutions faster. AI mind mapping tools are perfect for planning projects, writing, or any activity that requires structured thinking. Meetings are more productive with AI-powered transcription apps. In 2026, these tools can transcribe conversations in real time, highlight action items, and generate concise summaries. This ensures that everyone stays on the same page and that important details are never lost. With searchable transcripts, following up on discussions and decisions becomes effortless. File management is effortless with AI in 2026. These apps automatically categorize, tag, and sort your documents, making it easy to find what you need when you need it. AI can even detect duplicates, suggest file names, and recommend archiving old files. This level of organization saves time and reduces digital clutter, keeping your workspace tidy and efficient. Setting and achieving goals is easier with AI-powered apps. In 2026, these tools help you define clear objectives, break them down into actionable steps, and track your progress. AI can analyze your habits, suggest realistic timelines, and provide motivational feedback. With personalized goal setting, you're more likely to stay committed and reach your targets. Managing finances is a breeze with AI-powered apps in 2026. These tools track your spending, create budgets, and offer personalized financial advice. AI can detect unusual transactions, suggest savings opportunities, and even automate bill payments. With real-time insights and smart alerts, you gain better control over your financial health and make informed decisions. Productivity isn't just about work. Health and wellness matter too. AI-powered wellness apps in 2026 monitor your physical activity, sleep patterns, and stress levels. These apps provide personalized recommendations for exercise, nutrition, and relaxation, helping you maintain a healthy work-life balance. By integrating with other productivity tools, they ensure that your well-being is always a priority. Building good habits is crucial for long-term productivity. AI-powered habit trackers in 2026 analyze your routines, provide reminders, and offer insights into your progress. These apps can suggest new habits based on your goals and even predict which habits are most likely to stick. With AI, forming and maintaining positive habits becomes a science-backed process. Creativity thrives with the help of AI in 2026. From generating design ideas to composing music and writing content, AI-powered creative tools enhance your artistic process. These apps can suggest improvements, automate repetitive creative tasks, and even collaborate with you in real time. The result is faster, more inspired creative output without sacrificing quality. Communication is more efficient with AI-powered messaging and video conferencing apps. In 2026, these tools can translate languages in real time, suggest responses, and even summarize conversations. AI ensures that messages are clear, concise, and delivered to the right people. With enhanced communication, teams can collaborate more effectively and avoid misunderstandings. Research is faster and more thorough with AI-powered assistants. In 2026, these apps can scan vast amounts of data, extract relevant information, and present concise summaries. They can even suggest sources, highlight key findings, and organize research materials. Whether you're a student or a professional, AI research assistants help you stay informed and make better decisions. Editing documents is a breeze with AI-powered tools in 2026. These apps can check grammar, suggest style improvements, and even rewrite sentences for clarity. AI editors learn your writing preferences and adapt their suggestions accordingly. With real-time feedback and advanced editing features, your documents are polished and professional every time. Data analytics apps powered by AI in 2026 can process large datasets, identify trends, and generate actionable insights. These tools help businesses and individuals make data-driven decisions quickly and accurately. With intuitive dashboards and predictive analytics, you can stay ahead of the curve and respond proactively to changes in your environment. Managing social media is effortless with AI-powered apps. In 2026, these tools can schedule posts, analyze engagement, and even generate content ideas. AI can identify the best times to post, track audience sentiment, and recommend strategies for growth. With automation and smart analytics, your social media presence becomes more impactful and less time-consuming. Customer support is faster and more effective with AI-powered chatbots and virtual assistants. In 2026, these apps can handle common inquiries, resolve issues, and escalate complex cases to human agents. AI learns from interactions, improving its responses over time. This ensures that customers receive timely, accurate, and personalized support around the clock. Travel planning is simplified with AI-powered apps in 2026. These tools can suggest destinations, book flights and accommodations, and create personalized itineraries. AI analyzes your preferences, budget, and schedule to recommend the best options. With real-time updates and smart notifications, your travel experience is smoother and more enjoyable. Security is a top priority, and AI-powered apps in 2026 offer advanced protection for your data and devices. These tools can detect threats, block suspicious activity, and provide real-time alerts. AI learns from new threats, adapting its defenses to keep you safe. With automated security checks and smart authentication, your digital life is more secure than ever. Shopping is more personalized with AI-powered e-commerce apps. In 2026, these tools recommend products based on your preferences, track prices, and even automate purchases. AI can analyze reviews, compare deals, and suggest the best time to buy. With seamless checkout and smart notifications, your shopping experience is faster and more enjoyable. Home automation is smarter with AI in 2026. These apps can control lighting, temperature, security, and appliances based on your routines and preferences. AI learns your habits and adjusts settings automatically, creating a comfortable and energy-efficient environment. With voice control and remote access, managing your smart home is effortless and convenient. Personal safety apps powered by AI in 2026 offer real-time location tracking, emergency alerts, and predictive risk analysis. These tools can detect unusual behavior, notify trusted contacts, and provide guidance during emergencies. AI ensures that you and your loved ones stay safe, whether at home or on the go. Language learning is more effective with AI-powered apps in 2026. These tools adapt lessons to your skill level, provide instant feedback, and use speech recognition to improve pronunciation. AI can even simulate real-life conversations, making practice more engaging. With personalized learning paths, mastering a new language is faster and more enjoyable. Fitness apps powered by AI in 2026 create personalized workout plans, track your progress, and provide real-time coaching. These tools analyze your performance, suggest adjustments, and keep you motivated with tailored challenges. AI ensures that your fitness journey is effective, safe, and enjoyable, helping you reach your health goals faster. Nutrition tracking is smarter with AI-powered apps. In 2026, these tools can analyze your diet, suggest healthy recipes, and monitor nutrient intake. AI can even recognize food from photos and provide instant feedback on your choices. With personalized meal plans and smart reminders, maintaining a balanced diet is easier than ever. Mental health apps powered by AI in 2026 offer personalized support, mood tracking, and guided meditation. These tools can detect signs of stress or anxiety and provide coping strategies tailored to your needs. AI ensures that mental well-being is prioritized, offering resources and support whenever you need it. Remote work is more productive with AI-powered apps in 2026. These tools facilitate virtual collaboration, automate administrative tasks, and monitor productivity. AI can suggest optimal work hours, track project milestones, and ensure that remote teams stay connected and efficient. With smart notifications and seamless integration, remote work feels just as natural as being in the office. File backup and recovery are hassle-free with AI-powered apps. In 2026, these tools automatically back up your data, detect potential risks, and recover lost files with minimal effort. AI can predict which files are most important and prioritize their protection. With smart backup solutions, your digital assets are always safe and accessible. Document scanning is more accurate with AI-powered apps. In 2026, these tools can recognize text, extract data, and convert documents into editable formats. AI can even detect document types and organize scanned files automatically. With fast, reliable scanning, managing paperwork is easier and more efficient. Event planning is streamlined with AI-powered apps in 2026. These tools can suggest venues, manage guest lists, and coordinate schedules. AI analyzes preferences and budgets to recommend the best options, while smart notifications keep everyone informed. With automation and intelligent suggestions, organizing events is stress-free and successful. Personal organization is effortless with AI-powered apps. In 2026, these tools can manage your to-do lists, set reminders, and prioritize tasks based on deadlines and importance. AI learns your habits and adapts its suggestions, ensuring that you stay organized and on top of your responsibilities. Creating and managing shopping lists is easier with AI-powered apps. In 2026, these tools can suggest items based on your purchase history, track inventory at home, and even recommend recipes. AI ensures that you never forget an essential item and helps you shop more efficiently. Reminders are smarter with AI in 2026. These apps can predict when you'll need to be reminded, adjust notifications based on your schedule, and even suggest new reminders based on your habits. AI ensures that you never miss an important task or appointment, keeping you on track throughout the day. Password management is secure and convenient with AI-powered apps. In 2026, these tools can generate strong passwords, autofill login details, and detect security breaches. AI can even suggest password updates and monitor for compromised accounts, ensuring that your digital identity remains protected. Notifications are more intelligent with AI-powered apps in 2026. These tools can prioritize alerts, filter out noise, and deliver information at the right time. AI learns which notifications matter most to you, ensuring that you stay informed without feeling overwhelmed. With smart notifications, your attention remains focused on what's important. As we've seen, AI-powered apps are redefining productivity in 2026. From automating routine tasks to enhancing creativity and well-being, these tools empower us to achieve more with less effort. The future promises even greater integration, personalization, and innovation. By embracing AI, we can unlock our full potential and shape a more productive, balanced, and fulfilling life. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the best AI-powered productivity apps of 2026.